Hello, welcome to our joint Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2 singing assembly. So Key Stage 2, you're going to do what we do in Key Stage 1. You're going to put your hands up in the air and we're all going to go, hello high, hello low, hello high, hello low, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello slowly, hello fast, hello slowly, hello fast, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum. Okay, today I thought we'd have a go at that lovely song from Toy Story 1, You've Got a Friend in Me. Now, we're going to do some of the signs for that. So we're going to have, you got a friend in me. So, you've got a friend in me. If that's all a bit too much at the speed of the song, you can just go, you, friend, me. You've got a friend in me. Okay, so every time we get to that bit of the song, you've got a friend, you've got a friend in me, or if you want to try and do it all, you've got a friend in me. Okay, let's have a sing. Here we go. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead, you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed. You just remember what your old pal said, 'cause you got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. If you've got troubles, I've got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together and can see it through, 'cause you've got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe. But none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you. We got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Okay, now, are there any tricky bits about that? I think probably most of the song's quite high in our voices, so you really have to smile. Remember, here's your teeth, here's the inside of your mouth. When you smile, you open up that space inside your mouth for singing, and that's what we want, so really smile. It starts, you got a friend in me, you got a friend in me. Now the word friend, it's one of those ones that you want to go friend and go straight for the n sound, but don't. Go fra. Just as though you've suddenly been surprised. You've got a friend. And then the nd will sort itself out. Don't need to worry about it. You've got a friend in me. It comes when you go to sing the word in. The nd of friend just it sorts itself out. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got a friend in me. Don't forget the surprise look. You've got a friend in me. Lovely. When the road looks rough ahead. Now, when we start singing down, which way up are we thinking? Can you remember? When we're singing down, we think up. So, when the road looks rough ahead, and I'm looking up and I'm thinking up and everything's going upwards. So, when we're singing low notes, we don't want to be like this. When the road looks rough ahead. No. We want to be thinking upwards. Let's give it a try. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles. Now miles, ooh, that's one of those IE sounds. So we don't sing miles, we sing ma. And you're miles and miles, ma. Miles and miles. It will come out as miles, I promise you. So, and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed. Now, there we're going up. If we're singing up, then we're thinking down. And we're miles and miles from your nice warm bed. Nice, nice, nice. Don't do nice, do na. Okay? Lots of open sounds in this. Let's have another go at this. From the beginning, you've got a friend in me. Here we go. Just this first verse. Smile. You've got a friend in me. Big open mouths. You've got a friend in me. Nice big breath. When your road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. You've got a friend in me. Okay, you've got a friend in me. There's lots and lots of air needed to sing this song, so we're going to sit up straight. We're going to take big breaths and we're really going to sing it this time, okay? You ready? You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. Let's go. Sit up. Breathe. You've got a friend in me. Big open sounds. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. Big mouth, you got a friend in me. Good. Let's have a look at some of the actions we can do with that. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead. Use your little fingers there because it's something that's bad. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, just remember what your old pal said, because you've got a friend in me. Should we do that one more time? Okay, so I'm going to do all the signs this time. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said, because you've got a friend in me. Okay, let's see if we can go right through the song into the second chorus. Second verse. Come on, Mrs. Grayson, concentrate. Here we go. So sit up, breathe. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, just remember what your old friend said, 'cause you've got a friend in me. Good. Keep going. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. If you've got troubles, I've got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through, 'cause you've got a friend in me. Okay, now we're going to come to the middle section of the song now. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am. Now, that's not really a very fixed rhythm. It's almost like speaking. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am. You can hear the talking in the singing. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am. And because this is an American song from an American movie, we are singing a little rather than little. Okay, we're not saying the t sound in the middle, so some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, bigger and stronger too, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you. Okay? Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you. Okay, so then we go back into our first verse. You've got a friend in me. And we're going to finish with 3 times. You've got a friend. Oh, you've got a friend in me. Or if you want, you've got a friend in me. Just do those 3 signs. You, friend, me. Because it says what you need to say, doesn't it? Okay, shall we have a go at the whole thing? Here we go. We're going to sit up. We're going to breathe. We're going to smile. We're going to use really big open mouths to sing this, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, just remember what your old pal said. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. If you've got troubles, I've got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through, 'cause you've got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said, 'cause you've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. Lovely. Okay, see you next time.